Hey there, shower enthusiasts. Are you tired of your old, lackluster shower experience? Do you dream of transforming your bathroom into a luxurious spa-like retreat? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into the world of the best shower kits on the market. Whether you're looking for a rainfall shower head, multiple spray functions, or a sleek modern design, we've got you covered. So, let's get started and explore the top 7 shower kits that will revolutionize your daily shower routine. 7. LRVBKUSAV Shower Faucet Set. Starting our list is the LRVBKUSAV Shower Faucet Set. This kit offers a decent combination of features, including a rainfall shower head and a handheld shower. The brushed nickel finish gives it a modern look that can complement various bathroom styles. During my testing, I found the installation process to be relatively straightforward, although some of the instructions could have been clearer. The rainfall shower head provides a nice, wide coverage, but I noticed that the water pressure wasn't as strong as I'd hoped, especially in homes with lower water pressure. The handheld shower offers 3 spray settings, which is a nice touch, but the build quality feels a bit lightweight compared to some higher-end models. One aspect that concerned me was the durability of the finish. After a few weeks of use, I noticed some slight discoloration around the edges of the shower head. While this might not be a deal breaker for everyone, it's something to keep in mind if you're looking for a long-lasting solution. The temperature and pressure control valve worked smoothly, but I found the markings for hot and cold water to be a bit small and hard to read, especially without my glasses on. This could be an issue for those with vision impairments or in poorly lit bathrooms. Overall, the LRVBKUSAV Shower Faucet Set is a budget-friendly option that offers basic functionality. However, if you're looking for a premium shower experience or have concerns about long-term durability, you might want to consider some of the other options on our list. 6. HGN 10 inches Bathroom Rain Shower Combo Set. Next up, we have the HGN 10 inches Bathroom Rain Shower Combo Set. This kit features a sleek, modern design with a matte black finish that's sure to make a statement in any bathroom. The 10-inch square rainfall shower head is a nice size, providing good coverage without being overly large for smaller shower spaces. During my testing, I appreciated the inclusion of a handheld shower with a 59-inch hose, which adds versatility to the shower experience. The 3-function handheld shower offers different spray patterns, which is a nice touch. However, I found that switching between functions wasn't as smooth as I'd like, requiring a bit more force than expected. The installation process was relatively straightforward, but I did encounter a few challenges. Some of the included hardware felt a bit flimsy, and I had to make a trip to the hardware store to get more robust screws for a secure installation. This might be frustrating for DIY enthusiasts looking for a hassle-free setup. One aspect that concerned me was the water flow. While the rainfall shower head provided a pleasant experience, I noticed a significant drop in water pressure when using the handheld shower simultaneously. This could be an issue for those who prefer a more powerful shower or have low water pressure in their homes. The temperature and pressure control valve worked well, but I found it to be a bit sensitive, requiring some fine-tuning to get the perfect temperature. This might take some getting used to, especially for households with multiple users who have different temperature preferences. 5. KINLIV 12-inch Black Shower Faucet Set. Moving up our list, we have the KINLIV 12-inch Black Shower Faucet Set. This kit immediately caught my eye with its striking matte black finish and modern square design. The 12-inch rainfall shower head is generously sized, providing excellent coverage for a luxurious shower experience. During my testing, I was impressed by the build quality of this set. The solid brass construction feels sturdy and durable, giving me confidence in its longevity. The installation process was relatively smooth, with clear instructions and all necessary hardware included. I appreciated the thoughtful design of the rough-in valve, which made it easier to achieve a professional-looking installation. The rainfall shower head delivered a satisfying, drenching experience that truly mimicked the feeling of standing in warm rain. I was pleased to find that the water pressure remained consistent, even with my home's average water pressure. The included handheld shower with its 59-inch hose added versatility, allowing for targeted cleaning and easy rinsing. One feature that stood out was the 3-function diverter. Switching between the rainfall shower head, handheld shower, or both simultaneously was effortless and smooth. This flexibility is great for accommodating different preferences or needs within a household. The temperature and pressure control was precise and easy to adjust, with a wide range of motion that allowed for fine-tuning. I also appreciated the hot limit safety stop, which prevents accidental scalding, a great feature for families with children or elderly members. 4. FPXRNG Black Shower Faucet Set. As we move into the top 4, we have the FPXRNG Black Shower Faucet Set. This kit combines sleek design with practical functionality, making it a strong contender in the world of shower systems. The matte black finish gives it a contemporary look that would complement a variety of bathroom styles. During my testing, I was immediately impressed by the 10-inch square rainfall shower head. It provided excellent coverage and a truly immersive shower experience. The water flow was consistent and strong, creating a luxurious feel even in areas with average water pressure. The addition of a handheld shower with a 59-inch hose adds versatility, allowing for targeted cleaning or a more traditional shower experience. The installation process was straightforward, with clear instructions and all necessary components included. I appreciated the solid brass construction of the fixtures, which gave a sense of durability and quality. The rough-in valve was particularly well designed, making it easier to achieve a professional-looking installation. One feature that stood out was the 3-function diverter. Switching between the rainfall shower head, handheld shower, or both was smooth and effortless. This flexibility is great for accommodating different preferences or needs within a household. The temperature and pressure control valve was precise and easy to operate, allowing for fine-tuning of the shower experience. I was pleased to find that the FPXRNG set includes silicone nozzles on both the rainfall head and handheld shower. These are easy to clean and help prevent limescale buildup, which is a common issue in many households. This thoughtful design element contributes to the long-term maintenance and performance of the shower system. 3. Delta Faucet Arvo 14 Series Single-Handle Tub. As we enter the top 3, we have the Delta Faucet Arvo 14 Series Single-Handle Tub and Shower Faucet. Delta is a well-known name in the plumbing industry, and this shower kit lives up to the brand's reputation for quality and innovation. The sleek design and matte black finish give it a modern, sophisticated look that would enhance any bathroom decor. During my testing, I was particularly impressed with the Intuition 2-in-1 shower head design. This clever feature combines a fixed shower head with a detachable handheld shower, offering incredible versatility. The ability to use both simultaneously or independently provides a customizable shower experience that caters to various needs and preferences. The installation process was straightforward, thanks to Delta's clear instructions and well-designed components. The included rough-in valve was easy to work with, and all the necessary hardware was provided. I appreciated the solid brass construction, which gives a sense of durability and longevity to the entire system. One standout feature of this Delta faucet is the H2O kinetic technology. This innovative design sculpts water into a unique wave pattern, giving the feeling of more water without actually using more. I found this created a truly luxurious shower experience while still being mindful of water conservation, a win-win in my book. The temperature control was smooth and precise, with a wide range of motion for easy adjustments. I was also impressed by the pressure-balanced valve cartridge, which maintains your selected water temperature even when other water sources in your home are in use. This is a great safety feature, especially for households with children or elderly members. 2. JQBQS Rain Shower System. Coming in at number 2 on our list is the JQBQS Rain Shower System. This kit immediately stands out with its luxurious design and impressive array of features. The brushed nickel finish gives it a timeless elegance that would complement both modern and traditional bathroom styles. During my testing, I was blown away by the 12-inch square rainfall shower head. It provided an incredibly immersive shower experience with excellent coverage and a soothing rain-like flow. The air injection technology used in this system is truly impressive, creating a powerful shower experience even in homes with lower water pressure. The installation process was surprisingly straightforward for such a comprehensive system. All necessary components were included, and the instructions were clear and easy to follow. The solid brass construction of the fixtures exudes quality and durability, giving me confidence in the long-term performance of this shower system. One feature that really impressed me was the 3-function thermostatic mixer valve. It allowed for precise control over water temperature and pressure, maintaining a consistent temperature even when other water sources in the home were in use. This is not only a comfort feature, but also an important safety consideration, especially for households with children or elderly members. The inclusion of a handheld shower with a 59-inch hose adds versatility to the shower experience. I found the 3 spray settings, rainfall, massage, and mixed spray, to be well-designed and effective. The ability to use the rainfall shower head and handheld shower simultaneously was a luxurious touch that I really enjoyed. 1. SR Sunrise 12-inch rain shower system. And now, we've reached the top of our list with the SR Sunrise 12-inch rain shower system. This shower kit is the epitome of luxury and functionality, offering a truly transformative shower experience that's hard to beat. From the moment I installed this system, I knew it was something special. The 12-inch square stainless steel rainfall shower head is not only visually stunning, but also provides incredible coverage. The ultra-thin design allows for a high-pressure flow even in homes with lower water pressure, thanks to its air energy technology. This creates a drenching rainfall effect that's both invigorating and relaxing. The installation process was surprisingly straightforward for such a high-end system. All components are made of high-quality materials, with the main body constructed from solid brass. This not only ensures durability, but also adds a sense of luxury to the overall feel of the shower. One of the standout features of this system is the 10-layer chrome-plated finish. It's not only beautiful, but also incredibly resistant to corrosion and tarnishing. Even after weeks of testing, the finish remained flawless, with no signs of water spots or fingerprints. The thermostatic mixer valve is a game changer. It allows for precise control over water temperature and pressure, maintaining your chosen settings even when other water sources in your home are in use. This is not only a comfort feature, but also a crucial safety element, preventing sudden temperature fluctuations. The inclusion of a handheld shower head with a 71-inch hose adds versatility to the shower experience. The 3 spray settings, rainfall, waterfall, and massage, are well-designed and effective. Final thought. And there you have it, folks. Our comprehensive review of the top 7 shower kits on the market. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a luxury spa-like experience, there's something on this list for everyone. Remember, upgrading your shower isn't just about aesthetics. It's about enhancing your daily routine and creating a space where you can truly relax and rejuvenate. So why wait? It's time to transform your bathroom and elevate your shower experience to the next level.